Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can fix error and the await operator can only be used within an async method. So I am getting this error when I'm trying to use a asynchronous method inside a synchronous method. So you can see the error here, the await operator can only be used within an async method. So what it is saying is we are trying to use await here with the method name and which is a async method. So this will not work because this method is not a async method, so that will not work. So the first solution that you have is you can add the async keyword here and then it will not throw the error. Or the second thing that you can do is you can still use this method, but you don't have to use this directly. You can rather use task.run method here, and then in that you can pass the async method name. So what will happen is this will run this task inside this task.run method, which will be able to execute this method without any issue. So and then it will work fine. So this will help you to solve the issue that you are getting with the await keyword. So let us know if you face any kind of issue. So thank you guys.